Hey everyone, we're two for the road, and today we are at the Uranus Fudge Factory in Anderson, Indiana. Are you ready, Samantha, Brady, and Jay?
Fudge, yeah.
All right. Are you guys ready to dive into Uranus Fudge Factory and see what mess we can get ourselves into?
Fudge, yeah?
And around the corner, fudge is made.
As you can tell, it's a crappy day in Uranus. Thank you. Thank you. Pete the alien? Oh,
Pet.
It's like Pete.
On behalf of the Mayor Louis team, we want to welcome all of you to Uranus.
I got
Sign up to win an amazing basket full of swag. And as always, thank you.
5 fun things to do in Uranus, Indiana. That's not, there's no Uranus, Indiana. Anyways.
Wow.
Get your fudge packed inside, pet the alien, we'll grab your nuts, play in Uranus. I'm not saying the last one. Oh, that's not right.
I wonder if they have a chocolate mudslide
What?
or a fudge landslide.
Oh, it does. Apart from all the fun and what you can have with the name, there's actually a lot of cool things to do here. There's a nice little playground for the kids. And we got mini golf. It's not open right now, but it looks like a nice mini golf course. Yeah. They have the Uranus #2 Anderson, Indiana puppet show booth.
Looks like they got a mini golf course back here too. Looks like it's fairly new.
Putt Pirates. Okay, I get the pun. You don't. Well, I'll have to explain it to her later.
We have lived 30 minutes from here and never knew or
Heard about this.
Yeah, or heard about it before we moved.
We're missing out.
I know. This is a fun place.
It's fun to spend time in Uranus.
That's right. What? I gotta stop agreeing so quickly.
Mother's Day is May 11th. There you go.
I'll pass. I'm skipping Mother's Day this year.
Yeah, all right. Off to.
Is it your guys' first time?
It is.
We love first timers here in Uranus. It's always a great day here. I love Uranus, man. It's spectacular. This right here is our fudge counter. This is our reduced and sugar-free. Our reduced is reduced by 60% with isomalt, so sugar alcohol. These are our chocolate balls. We've got big ones and small ones. Get yourself a pair in Uranus. All the way over here, we got chocolates. I highly recommend the chocolates. My favorite chocolate is the malted balls. Yes, the malted balls are back.
we're gonna try a little bit of this fudge that we just got.
We got is it just called blueberry fudge?
Blueberry's cheesecake.
Blueberry.
It's amazing. Yes, it's amazing.
Oh!
That's a large piece. Oh yeah. I had the sample. It's really good. Oh my god. Yeah. I would have some. In fact, I bought some. So yeah.
That's sweet. Very rich.
All right. I guess we're done poking around Uranus, right?
And as they say, the best fudge comes from Uranus. That's gonna do it for today's video. Stay curious.
And keep exploring.
Bye.
Bye.